Hello students, welcome all of you in Pass Thawanu Panchamrut program, which is jointly organized by the HP Kapadia Group of Schools and GSTV. Myself, I am Ravindra Dave. Friends, in today's lecture, we will discuss a important MCQ for chapter number 2. Chapter 2 is inverse trigonometric functions. Question first, if sine inverse x is equal to pi by 7 for some x belongs to -1 to 1 open interval, find the value of cos inverse x. Students, it's a formula based question. Sine inverse x and we have to find the value of cos inverse x. So if you remember the result, sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is of these MCQ questions. Here they apply cos inverse x is equals to pi by 2 minus sine inverse x. Pi by 2 minus value of sine inverse is pi by 7. So pi by 2 minus pi by 7, we take LCM 14. So 7 minus 2 is 5 pi by 14. So 5 pi by 14 is option B correct answer. Next question, again from the formula base, the domain of cos inverse x is. Cos inverse x is -1 to 1, option D is the correct answer. There is no need for calculate it. It's a theory result. Domain of cos inverse x is -1 to 1, close bracket. Question number 13, the range of tan inverse. The range of tan inverse is the answer, open bracket, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Next question, the value of tan inverse of tan 5 pi by 4 is. So first thing to solve this question is the given value 5 pi by 4x must be belong to the range of tan inverse. Now what is the range of tan inverse is open bracket minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So here 5 pi by 4 is not belong to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So first we have to convert the range, the value 5 pi by 4 into range of tan inverse. So we write 5 pi by 4 as pi plus pi by 4, pi plus pi by 4. Now pi plus pi by 4, it is the value in third quadrant, and in third quadrant tan is always positive. All of you know that in third quadrant tan is always positive. The value of the given function tan inverse tan pi plus pi by 4 is pi by 4. So option B is the correct answer. बच्चों इसमें ध्यान रखना है ये क्वेश्चन, ये टाइप के क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने के लिए कि 5 पाई बाय 4 गिवन, तो कई बच्चे रिजल्ट टेक्स्ट बुक में गिवन है कि tan इनवर्स ऑफ tan x इज इक्वल्स टू x, लेकिन वो x वैल्यू कब हम लिखते हैं जब x बिलोंग्स टू माइनस पाई बाय 2 टू प्लस पाई बाय 2. तो कई बच्चे इसका tan इनवर्स tan 5 पाई बाय 4 देख के ऑप्शन ए मार्क कर देते, लेकिन ये ध्यान रखना है कि ये वैल्यू रेंज में होनी चाहिए. ओके, next question number 15, find the value of cos into bracket 2 sine inverse 3 by 5. In this type of questions, students, we have to first assume the bracket value, the given function inverse, sine inverse is theta. So result is cos of 2 theta, and then we apply a trigonometric function result in form of sine theta, because the inverse function given in sine. So result is cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So by applying this result, we get the option B minus 1 by 8 is the correct answer. Question number 16. Student, this question now we will take from chapter number 5, derivative functions. D by dx of sine inverse x plus cos inverse x. It's a very simple result, student. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x, chapter 2 formula. The answer is pi by 2. So sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. So derivative of pi by 2 is 0, because pi by 2 is a constant function, and we know very well derivative of constant function is 0. So option A is the correct answer. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, यहाँ पे भी बच्चों ये टाइप के एमसीक्यूज में गलती होती है, ध्यान रखना। डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ए डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ ए पावर ए, कई स्टूडेंट्स इसका आंसर भी ए रेस टू एक्स इंटू 1 प्लस लॉग एक्स लिख देते, जो ऑप्शन ए में गिवन है। बच्चों ध्यान रखना, एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन जब आप अटेम्प्ट करते हो तब वो एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस के लिए जो गलती हो जाने वाले क्वेश्चंस होते हैं उसका ऑप्शन मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन में ए होता है, वो ध्यान रखिएगा आप लोग, राइट। यहाँ पे भी आप देखिए ए रेस टू ए, तो सभी स्टूडेंट्स के दिमाग में यही चलेगा कि इसका आंसर बाय अप्लाइंग ए रेस टू एक्स रिजल्ट इज ए रेस टू एक्स इंटू 1 प्लस लॉग एक्स, बट कंसिडर ए रेस टू ए is a constant function, so the derivative of given function is 0. So please student ये टाइप के जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं उसमें ध्यान रखना। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ लॉग मॉड ऑफ एक्स। ये क्वेश्चन भी मैंने ऐसे ही लिया है बच्चों, जिसमें बच्चों की गलती होती है आंसर देने के लिए। डेरिवेटिव ऑफ लॉग एक्स क्या है? 1 अपॉन एक्स। तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ लॉग मॉड एक्स गिवन है, तो मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट इसका आंसर 1 अपॉन मॉड एक्स लिख के आ जाते हैं। बट स्टूडेंट मॉड एक्स इन लॉगरिथम फंक्शन, कौन सा फंक्शन ये गिवन है क्वेश्चन में? लॉग एक्स, लॉगरिथम फंक्शन, एंड द डोमेन ऑफ log function is always r plus real number but positive. So student, here x is always positive, not consider mod x given, but not consider mod x as plus or minus x. Mod x is only x, so derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Student, next question number 19 we will discuss after us back students. Next MCQ question number 19, derivative of 1 upon log mod x function. 1 upon x derivative is minus 1 upon x square. So 1 upon log mod x derivative is minus 1 upon log mod x square, and if we again apply chain rule in log function, so again derivative of log mod x, and as we discussed in last question, derivative of log mod x is 1 upon x, not 1 upon mod x. Okay, so here derivative of log mod x is 1 upon x, so answer minus 1 upon x into log mod x square, option C here. Next question is based on chain rule, d by dx of x square plus sine square x raised to power 3. Derivative of x cube, first we have to apply result in x cube derivative. So x cube derivative is 3x square, so solution 3 into x square plus sine square x power 2. Now apply chain rule, derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of sine square x is 2 sin x, and again sin x derivative is cos x. So 2 sin x cos x, all of you know very well student, 2 sin x cos x is a result of sin 2x. So here the answer is x square 3 into x square plus sin square x raised to 2 plus 2x plus sin 2x. Next question, if f of x is equals to sin 5x upon kx is a continuous function for x is equal to 0 value, find the value of k. If you remember student, the result for limit x tends to 0, sin x upon x is equals to 1. So limit sin 5x upon, if we take here 5x, then we get the answer 1. So the direct answer from the question, k is equals to 5. So option A, 5 is the correct answer. Next MCQ question number 22. If x square upon 4 minus y square upon 9 equals to 1, then find the value of dy by dx. Student, it's a implicit function because variable x and variable y given. Okay, so first differentiate both sides. So 9 into derivative of x square minus 4 into derivative of y square from d by dx of 36, and from the derivative result we get the answer 9x upon 4y. Now we apply here from if we take derivative, so we get the right option, but we apply a shortcut method for this result, so we get direct answer. See, the result is what? First we have to derivative x square function. So x square derivative is 2x upon 4 divided by derivative of y square function. Derivative of y square function is 2y upon 9 and sign opposite. So 2x upon 4 minus plus 2y upon 9, and if we calculate this result, so we get direct answer 9x upon 4y. Next question, if x square upon 16 plus y square upon 25 is equals to 1, then find the value of dy by dx. This question is also student from x square y square, means implicit type function result, and you apply the same above question shortcut in this question also. X square derivative 2x by 16, y square derivative 2y upon 25 and sign opposite. So 2x upon 16 minus 2y upon 25, so we get direct answer minus 25x by 16y. Next MCQ question number 24, if y is equals to tan inverse x where x belongs to R, then find the value of f dash x derivative. So again student, it's a result for chapter 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So value of y is equals to pi by 2. So derivative of pi by 2, it's a constant function, so always 0. So answer for this is 0, option B. Next question, d by dx of sin inverse x upon root 1 plus x square cos inverse 1 upon root 1 plus x square equals to. In this question, if we write direct method, means derivative of sin inverse, derivative of cos inverse, then it's take minimum 6 to 7 steps. So please remember the result using interrelation formula. Using interrelation formula, sin inverse x upon root 1 plus x square is tan inverse x, and again using interrelation formula, cos inverse 1 upon root 1 plus x square is also tan inverse x. So here we write the result tan inverse x plus tan inverse x, so 2 tan inverse x, and derivative of 2 tan inverse x is 2 upon 1 plus x square. So option C is the correct answer. Okay student, so we'll discuss here chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 5 MCQ by applying formula or by applying shortcut method. Okay. Next we start student, we will discuss a 2 marks question for part B. First question, consider f is a function from R to R given by fx is equal to 4x plus 3, show that f is a invertible function and find inverse of x. It's a important question for chapter 1 student to prove invertible function and find inverse of question. First step, for invertible function we have to prove 1 function and onto function. Let us start. For fx1, x1 and x2 two different value, fx1 is equal to 4x1 plus 3 and fx2 is equals to 4x2 plus 3. Applying x1, x2 in our function f of x. Okay, so 4x1 plus 3 is equals to 4x2 plus 3. 3 cut from both the side, so we get 4x1 is equals to 4x2, so x1 is equals to x2. So fx1 is equal to fx2, then x1 is equals to x2, so it's a 1 function, and from this step in a board paper student you get a 1 mark. Next step, for onto function fx is equal to y, so y is equals to 4x plus 3, so 4x is equals to y minus 3, so value of x is y minus 3 upon 4. Again put this value in f of x, so we get the value is y. So if fx is equals to y, then it is a onto function. So fx is 1 and onto, so it's a invertible function, and for invertible function answer for f inverse x is x minus 3 upon 4. Student, in this step for onto and invertible function result, you also get a 1 mark. So by this way, in board paper, you get 1 plus 1 mark. Okay, student, we will come back after our welcome back students. Again continues in 2 marks question discussion. As we discussed in last question, please consider here the marking system for board paper. Okay, next second number question, prove the following result. 3 sine inverse x is equal to sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube, where the x is belongs to close bracket minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2. The first step to solving this question, consider x is equals to sine theta. If we consider x is equals to sine theta, then result is sine inverse 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. You know very well student, 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta is the result for sine 3 theta. So we get the result sine inverse into bracket sine 3 theta is equals to 3 theta. So LHS is 3 theta and RHS is 3 theta. So LHS equals to RHS. So we prove the result. One point is important in this question student. We have to prove also the range of 3 theta is belongs to the range of sine inverse minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 क्लोज ब्रैकेट. अगर आप पेपर के अंदर ये रेंज प्रूव नहीं करते हो तो वहां पे 0.5 मार्क्स कट हो सकते हैं. सो प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस. चैप्टर 2 के प्रूव दैट सम्स आप जो सॉल्व करते हो उसके अंदर रेंज प्रूव करनी जरूरी है पार्ट बी के लिए बोर्ड पेपर के अंदर. Okay, next question is again a important question from chapter number 3. Find the product of two matrices. First matrix 2, 3, 4, first row, second row 3, 4, 5, third row 4, 5, 6 into product for second matrix 1, minus 3, 5, second row 0, 2, 4, third row 3, 0, 5. The first step to solving a product of any two matrices is the check the condition. Condition is what? The number of column of first matrix and number of rows of second matrix must be equal here. So see, the first matrix is in type of 3 cross 3, second matrix is also in type of 3 cross 3. So number of column and number of rows equal to 3. So we can multiply the two matrix. Okay. So multiplication of matrix, first step, first row multiply by first column. फर्स्ट रो मल्टीप्लाई बाय फर्स्ट कॉलम. यहाँ ध्यान रखना स्टूडेंट, गलती हो सकती है और मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ मैट्रिक्स ये चैप्टर 3 का एक इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है क्योंकि काफी सारे दूसरे क्वेश्चंस के अंदर भी आपको मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन लेना पड़ता है. ओके, तो मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करेंगे? फर्स्ट रो मल्टीप्लाई विथ फर्स्ट कॉलम. सी हियर 2 into 1 2 plus 3 into 0 0 plus 4 into 3 is 12. So I'll write here the number 2 plus 0 plus 12. Next step, first row multiply with second column. 2 into minus 3, minus 6, 3 into 2, 6 and 4 into 0 is 0. So minus 6 plus 6 and 0. Second value, first row multiply with column 3. 2 into 5 is 10, 3 into 4 is 12 and 4 into 5 is 20. Similarly, second row multiply with first, second and third column. Third row multiply with first, second and third column. So we get the result and calculate the number. So we get the answer of product of two matrices. Okay. Next question, find the adjoint matrix of matrices. Here we take two type of question, one for 2 cross 2 and one for 3 cross 3. For 2 cross 2 adjoint matrix, we interchange the first diagonal value number and sign change of second diagonal value. So answer of this question, 1 and 4 interchange and 2 and 3 sign change. So 4 minus 2 minus 3 and 1 is the answer for 2 cross 2 adjoint matrix. And one important result here we get, adjoint into adjoint is equals to matrix A. But remember, this result is for only 2 cross 2 matrices, not for 3 cross 3 matrices. Okay, for 2 cross 2 matrix, important result for MCQ also, adjoin into adjoin is equals to matrix A. Okay student, next question, find adjoint matrix of 3 cross 3 type matrix, 1, minus 1, 1 first row, 2, 3, 5 second row, minus 2, 0 is the third row. For 3 cross 3 adjoint matrix, we have to first find the cofactor of every element. Cofactor of 1. Cofactor of 1, as you know very well student, one cofactor is, we take the 2 cross 2 part determinant 3, 5, 0 and 1, and cross multiplication of this number 3 minus 0 is 3. So cofactor of first element is 3. Next, cofactor of minus 1. Cofactor of minus 1 is 2 plus 12. 2 plus 10, so 2 plus 10 is a number 12, but in second element we have to put negative sign as minus 1 raised to I plus j rule, so we write here the number minus 12. Next, third number cofactor 2 is 0 minus 6, so answer is the minus 6, but minus the value is plus 6. So this is the first row cofactor. Similar, we have to find the second row cofactor and third row cofactor, and after this we get 3 cross 3 matrix. Convert this matrix into transpose matrix. Transpose matrix means first row convert into first column, second row convert into second column, third row convert into third column. So applying by transpose matrix, our answer of adjoint is 3, 1 minus 11, minus 12, 5 minus 1 and 6, 2, 5 is the answer for 3 cross 3 adjoint matrix. Students, we will discuss the subjective part, 2 marks question, 3 marks question and 4 marks question in our next episode, Pass Thawanu Panchamrit.